If you are born in the following period, your zodiac is a goat, and this year you have a little bit offending the Tai Chi, so there will be some unexpected ups and downs, and some challenge will happening to you. And this year you have a 3 unlucky star which is shining to you, so will make this case more complicated. So if I were you, I will keep this year more like a low profile, and then if I want to invest, I won't invest like too aggressively. I will think twice before I do that. And to change a job or start a new business is also not a good idea to you. And to move to a new location, a new city, or move to a new home is also not a really good idea. So if I were you, I would think twice before I do that. And traveling, if possible, do not travel to any unsafe location. That will help. And when you drive, you better drive safe. That will definitely help. But don't worry, this year you have a 2 lucky star which is helping you, so make you have a more like a helping hands. So anytime if you need some help, just don't hesitate to look around. Someone is out there to help you out. So don't worry, you just need to ask, then that will be much better. And be careful for the following months: April, August, October, and January next year. This 4 months is not really good for you. So anything important, do not schedule in these 4 months. March, June, and November are much better. So schedule in these 3 months will be much better. Anything important, okay? So for more detail, you can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide, which is totally free of charge. Just search my name, Master Alexi, you will find it. And I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.